guys, good morning. Cleet Titus back with you with the United Youth Aviators, where we expand kids' minds, we'll take over the time. I'm a CFI and I'm the co-founder, and today I'm happy to introduce you one of our newest students from an after-school program called Opus that we have, and I'm going to let in Village Academy, and I'm going to let him introduce himself to you guys.
Hi, I'm Solomon.
Hi, so
I go to school at Village Academy. I'm from
Awesome. How old are you?
10 years old.
13? Cool, that's what's up, man. How do you like the after-school program?
I get to
Talking to the mic. You get to what?
get to learn how planes work and how to fly.
All right, good. And today you get to fly with us, right? Excited? My man, ready. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Ghana.
Ghana. All the way from the motherland. We love him, right? That's what's up. So today he gets to fly. He's excited. So we'll catch you guys back out on the taxi out. Peace. All right, guys, welcome back. We already got our clearance. We got to listen to our ATIS. So now we taxiing out to runway 32, and we're going to head for a northeast departure. Solomon's doing a great job taxiing. Turn right here, Sal. Good job. Put a little bit more power to pick up momentum. And once you get momentum, bring it back. The power of RPMs. Bring RPMs back. All right, good. Good job taxiing. Stay in the yellow line. Good. Now, if you need to press the brake to help you turn a little bit, you push that rudder in you need and just pull that brake just a little bit, okay? That'll help you turn. So when we get here, we're going to make it a right, okay? All right. Yep. Oops, stay center. Good. So you keeping the yellow line in between your what? Your what?
Legs.
Between your feet. Good. All right. All right, well, we gotta wait till we get to the yellow. Good. Clear left, no plane coming. Up, clear right. We're good. So go ahead, wait for the yellow. Wait, don't turn yet. Wait. I'll take the yellow. So press and push that right top brake. Not that hard, because you'll lose all your momentum. All right, guys. So real quick, Solomon, you want to give a shout out to anybody?
Parents for allowing me to join. And
Anybody else?
Opus. Yeah.
Opus. Oh, all right. Thank you, Opus. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Dr. Lee. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Lee. We appreciate it. Solomon appreciates you. All right, guys. So we just gave cool shout out. Thank all you guys for coming together with us with these kids. All right, we catch you when we're about to take off holding short. Try to move over, right rudder, push the right rudder, and stop before that line, the whole short line. All right, get ready to stop, pull it back, 1,000. Good. There you go, 611.2.
Cessna 28 Romeo, runway 32, line up and wait, traffic 1.5 mile 5.
Line up and wait, 28 Romeo. Turn all your lights on. All of them. You can say lights.
Lights.
Camera. Action. Say action.
Action.
All right, good. Come on. So let's line up and wait. So we're going to line up and hold on the runway, okay? Oh, all right, feet on the ground today. I got the feet on the ground. All right, I control the feet.
Lima, extend that one out for your base.
All right, so when I tell you full power, you'll go full power, okay? And hold it. And we're going to rotate at 55 knots up to 10, okay? You're going to tell me...
28 Romeo, northbound approved, 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff to Romeo.
32, traffic on the road, 32, clear, touch and go.
Touch and go, 6 Juliet Alpha.
Hold it. Say to me, airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
Means the airspeed is alive. When you get to 55, start slowly pulling back. Wait.
On the downwind.
All right, good job, Solomon. Wait. Now pull back. Pull back slowly. Keep pulling back. Yeah, pull back.
Like you're 11 o'clock there.
Right there, 10 degrees. That's enough. Solomon. When you get to 10, you stop. Hold it at 10. Good job. And he's off, guys. He's off.
In the shoreline there.
Turning base at 15.
Jump. Nice smooth takeoff. All right, look outside. So we're going to be turning right when we get to 500 feet. Okay. So you see the red and white stacks over there?
7 Alpha's out.
See them 4 stacks out there? Red and white, way out there? Turn to them.
Turning base, 7 Alpha Delta, student solo.
I'm sorry, you see your position. Yeah, you can follow them. Spacing looks good.
7 Alpha Delta.
All right, see that plane? All right, there you go. Roll out. All right, good job. Good job, Solomon. Solomon did a good job today on takeoff. Pre-flight, guys. We're really proud of him. Straighten it out. Good. So the stacks is right in front of us. Keep that nose up 10 degrees. All right, 10 degrees, nose up. All right, Solomon. So grab the checklist. Oh, here you go. I got it. All right, so we're climbing. Look for climb. Ahead, climb, what does it say?
Speed normal.
Airspeed, all right, go ahead. What, 70 to what?
70 to 85.
So we 80, which is check, right? What else?
23 X-ray, runway 32, land deploy, traffic to my
Yeah, we climbed out of VX, throttle full, right? You didn't hold this, but don't worry about it.
Traffic,
all right, now,
on the base turn, assess no one.
turn off the landing lights and taxi lights.
Hey,
We're good. Checklist complete.
Following traffic 88.
Hey guys, we're on our way to the Northport Stacks where we're going to do maneuvers. So we'll turn back on the cameras and catch you 10 degrees. On hand, we catch you guys back out over there. All right, peace. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we're coming up on the Northport Stacks right here in this video, and we're going to be doing our maneuvers. Solomons do a great job at getting us there, so we're about to start some stuff on this side when we get to the practice area. This area allows us to do maneuvers, and they'll give us advisories to make sure we don't get traffic. All right, so I'll shut down this controller a little bit so we don't need to hear so loudly. Good. Now, we level. Now, I want you to catch your hand on your power. If you decide to go down, bring the power out a little bit and bring it down. As you out, bringing the power back towards you. You see how we going down?
Yeah.
Now, you see how little I brought it out? Because we're not going down now. Go down steeply, I go like this. You see that? All right? You see how I got it going steep? And then if I'm going up, what I'm doing, adding power as I go up. You see that? That's how I want you to fly a plane. Now, if I want to pull, the more I want to go up, I'm adding power. Oh, see that? Adding power all the way, right? You see that? So the amount of aggressiveness as you move the flight yoke, you move the throttle accordingly. So pull it. We're going down, right? So bring the throttle, push in, push slowly, and pull back, right? Back to 22, right?
Yeah.
Good. Rudder, aileron control. So if you push the right rudder in, push your right rudder in as far as you can. You see what's happening? But the plane looks sloppy, right? Hold it. Hold the right rudder. Hold your foot. How sloppy it look. Now compensate with left aileron as you do it. Now put the right rudder in. And keep the plane massively level, right? Look outside. All the way to the ground. As far as you can push. All the way. Hold it with me. Get off the left one. Get off the left. Push on the right. Right, now compensate. Hold it. Don't let the plane make everything look clean. Hold it. Keep going. Push as far as you can with your right rudder. Look. Keep going. All right. Look how the plane keeps turning, and you keep it level. All right. Good. Hold it level. I want you to come on. Hold it. Keep it level. Keep it level. Keep going. Keep it level. Fight it. Good. Now lock in place. Don't go up. Don't go down. Stay level. Stay level with the horizon of the earth. All right. A little bit more left aileron. You see how we turn it?
Yeah.
All right. Now go to the left. Do the left side. Left. Slowly. Left rudder. Left rudder. The left one. Compensate with the right aileron. Go ahead. More left. All right. Let's turn here. All right. Come on. Good job. So we just want to come over here so we get too close to Charlie. All right. And the plus is a plane right there. You see him?
Right there.
Yep. So I didn't want to get in that person's way. All right. All right, guys. So we had a good day here. Did a bunch of maneuvers, some turns, worked on some aileron, rudder control. We will fly level. He's really good at controlling the plane. So now we're gonna run over to Tweed, and we're gonna switch there so we can go land over there. So we'll catch you guys back on final. All right, peace. Perfect slope. 2 white, 2 red. You got that?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Now slowly, you put pulling all the way back as you pull up. Yep, keep pulling all the way back. Keep pulling. Don't stop pulling. Pull. Keep pulling. Pull back. Hold it. Pull back. Look outside. Right? On our back wheels like this, right?
Taxi up to Charlie and hold short runway 2.
And
Charlie, hold short runway 2, level 3.
all right, guys. So we want to thank you guys for coming along on a flight with us. Solomon did a great job today. Like always, we appreciate you. Please give us a like and a subscribe. And I'll let Solomon say a few words. Peace out words.
Watching?
Can you get what?
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's enough, right? Thank you guys for watching. And listen, on the left side of me here, you're going to see a little circle with our company name. Please click on that for a subscribe. And to the right of us over here, you'll see another video where you can see what we doing. You can click on that and watch out of one of our other kids doing some phenomenal stuff. Once again, thanks for the love, guys.